Hey guys, welcome to Karan's Cuisine. That's right, I changed my name. Today I'll be making 2 chocolate drinks. One is a milkshake, one is a Frappuccino. The first one is an Oreo milkshake that everybody loves with 4 ingredients, and the second one is a Starbucks style chocolate chip Frappuccino, which my mom got for me because it's the only caffeine-free drink at Starbucks. First, I'll be making the Oreo milkshake. This does not require milk cubes or ice cubes. The ingredients needed are 4 separated Oreos, 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 cup of milk, and some ice cream. The first thing you want to do is take the cookies of the Oreo and put them in a Ziploc bag and crush them. Now that you're done with crushing all the Oreos, put it in with all the other stuff, including 1 scoop of ice cream, and then grind it. That's it. Now you can grind it. It's done grinding, and now I can decorate the glass with a nifty trick that I learned. Looks amazing, right? Now I can taste it. Now it's time for the double chocolate chip Frappuccino. We've had many trials and we figured out to make it just like how it tastes at Starbucks and also really easy to make. It only requires 4 ingredients, 3 if ice cubes aren't counted as an ingredient. You have 1/2 cup milk, about a handful of ice cubes, 1/4 cup of small chocolate pieces or chocolate chips, and about 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup. Just add them all in and then grind it. Grinding it, and now I can decorate it Starbucks style. Be aware that there will be a few chocolate chip chunks in the middle, so just give it a little bit of a mix and then pour it in. There, got it. Double chocolate chip Frappuccino with extra caramel and whipped cream ready. Now I can taste it. And I sprinkled a little bit of Oreo dust that I could find in the Ziploc that I crushed it so that it looks better. Delicious. Now I'll taste my double chocolate chip Frappuccino with extra caramel. The chocolate chip chunks are amazing. Like and subscribe.